Hello everyone, my name is Daniela Jovic and I'm here in Espoo at Aalto University Winter Satellite Workshop Day 1, and my second guest of the day is Professor Jaan Praks. He's a professor of space technology here at Aalto University, but also he's the chairman and founder of this beautiful conference. So hello, welcome.
Happy to be here.
Yes, so tell us a little bit. This is 8th edition, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, we have been doing this already 8th time, and this is of course the most beautiful and most biggest ever so far.
So tell us what was the beginning of the conference? It started as a sort of a student thing.
Yeah, we were building CubeSats, and we have been arranging happenings from already 2010 basically, and then 2018 we made the first satellite workshop, which was already a bigger, like a conference. But of course we had then only 150 people. Now we have more than 2,000 people.
Wow.
So it's has been growing quite a bit.
So record-breaking edition this year?
Yes, we have been breaking all the records this year.
And I was telling our viewers this is sort of like a Nordic shopping window and combination of science and business both together. So tell us a little bit. So the program is very strong. So what's this blend of program? How does it come to be, this conference?
So we bring together the science and the business, and also policymakers and students. So all the right components in the space field. And part of this conference is actually also Finnish COSPER conference, which handles everything in space science, even astronomy, radio astronomy. We have a lot of technology, communication, navigation. So all these areas are covered now more and more internationally, and we have been getting a lot of good contribution from all over the Nordic and Baltic for this conference.
You have a lot of keynote speakers and very interesting keynote speakers, if I may add. Do you have some personal highlights and something that you were looking forward to the most?
I usually like a lot the presentations about missions.
Okay.
So new missions, old missions, overviews of the previous missions, and we have several keynotes actually have been invited to tell about certain mission or certain categories of missions. Michael Küppers, for example, is going to tell about asteroid missions and space exploration missions. We have Bojan Boškov, who was telling about EUMETSAT missions. There's a lot of missions we don't know actually about, so it was super interesting.
You can also tell us about your new mission.
Yes, we are also a small university team. We just launched with the Transporter 15 our science CubeSat called Forsen 1 Prime, and my team is now very busy. They're actually operating here on the site in the booth our science satellite and downloading data straight to the big screens.
Awesome, that's really cool. So that's basically hands-on and the workshop stuff, it's all coming together. But I always have to ask, there's this one thing at the end of my talk, is there something that's like a little bit too much, a little bit of very hype and not much substance, something very triggering for you? Is there something in some of these topics or something completely irrelevant to the conference? But
I'm not very easily triggered, I would say. I would like to believe so. But of course, space area is filled, like many other areas, a lot of hype. And here in our conference, we're trying to see through the hype and concentrate on the actual results which can be proven. So that's why we are concentrating on scientific presentations with a scientific credibility, things which can be proved, and also space businesses here, because many of these results based on, for example, studies and interviews are giving the actual picture what is happening. So we don't need to believe only the big headlines in the news.
So now you've heard it from the person that you needed to hear it from, and the thing is that you can also follow this conference online. So this is also very good. It's very open source conference, and for the others who still have the chance, they can join us for day 2 and day 3, and I will look forward to you in the next episode. Thank you.
Thank you.